Extremely simple question. They are looking for coefficient of x to the power 9 in the expansion of this. That means if you multiply all the brackets together, you want to look for coefficient of x to the power 9. What do we do? Let's try to see. Let's try to understand what you have. See, first bracket has 1 plus x, second has 1 plus x square. Okay, so powers are increasing with every bracket. Okay, let's write between terms a little more. Like suppose x power 8, 1 plus x power 9. Okay, then more to go, 1 plus, right? After x to the power 9, you don't need any more because they are looking for x power 9 coefficient. Anyways, let's get going. Now tell me one way how you would have gotten x power 9 coefficient. Simple. You just choose x power 9 from this bracket. What do you do with every other bracket? You choose a 1. Like 1 from this bracket, 1 from this bracket. Every other bracket you choose a 1. So 1 times 1 times 1, every bracket is giving you a 1. Just that this bracket is giving you x to the power 9. So that is one way to get x power 9. Correct? Any other way to get x to the power 9? Yeah. You can choose, let's say, x to the power 8 from this bracket. So how much power do you need more? Only one. Who is going to give you that? Only this guy can give, right? Because this has only one x. Okay, so what do you do? From this bracket you take a x, and from this bracket you take x power 8. Okay, and from every other bracket you choose a 1. So x times 1 times 1 times x power 8, and then from every other one, so what do you end up in getting? 1 times x to the power 8. That is also giving you x to the power 9. So if you understood what we are doing, let's write it here. We are splitting 9. In the very first go we kept it 9 only. Okay, that's the first term. With every other bracket you chose a 1. Then if you split it into 2, let's say, then you can do like 1 plus 8, which you did. Okay, or you could have done 2 plus 7, or you could have done 3 plus 6, or you could have done 4 plus 5. Just that. Anything else here? Splitting into 2? No, right? Because if you start writing 5 and then 4 again, you are repeating the above one. Okay, so there are only 4 2 splits you could have done. And every one is going to give you coefficient of x to the power 9. Okay, that's 1. Split it into 3. 1, easiest one. Okay, 1 plus 2, it's 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So this is one split you could have done. 1 plus 3, that's 4. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9, that's another split. Or you could have done 1 plus 4, that's already a 5. Okay, and then 5 plus 4 is a 9. This is not allowed. Okay, because two fours, because x power 4 has, there is only one bracket which has 1 plus x power 4, right? There are no two brackets, so you can't have the two fours, so this is not allowed. Let's do a little more. Let's make the first one 2. So 2 plus 3, that's already a 5, and plus another 4. Allowed. Okay, can you do something else? Like suppose I try with a 3. Oh, I do 3, and this is 4. This is already a 7. I will need a 2. Okay, again, not allowed. Okay, 2, 4, and 3 already there on the first one. Okay, so how many are there? This is going to give you one coefficient of x to the power 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 terms who are going to give you coefficient of 9, and that is 1. Okay, that means from here also, if you try writing, let me show you how. Like this, right? So every one is going to give you coefficient of x to the power 9. The third one you see like this. Okay, this I'm writing this one. Okay, so everyone is going to give you coefficient of x to the power 9. So there are 8 of such partitions which you have done. So 8 times x to the power 9 you are going to get. So there are many more terms, right? But coefficient of x to the power 9 is only 8. So that's your answer, 8.